And our last example, since we need more space, let me erase this. In this example, question says, solve the following. Here we have 3, the third derivative of y, plus 5, the second derivative of y, plus 10y prime, minus 4y equal to 0. So the auxiliary equation is going to be 3m to the third, plus 5m to the second, plus 10m minus 4 equal to 0. Well, remember that to find the possible 0 for this equation, we're going to try to see how p divided by q is formed, and then try to see if that number is a 0 for this equation. P is called p divided by q. It's called the rational root. You already know that. And then p is a factor of a sub 0. Factor of a sub 0, which is negative 4. And q is a factor of your leading coefficient, which is 3. So we have the following. You can write it as plus minus 1. Well, we have plus minus 2, plus minus 4 as the factors of negative 4, and the factors of 3 are plus minus 1 and plus minus 3. We're going to form a combination of different possible scenarios for p divided by q. This can be written as, well, plus minus 1 divided by plus minus 1. So we end up with plus minus 1. Plus minus 2 divided by plus minus 1, you get plus minus 2. Then you have another case that you're dividing plus minus 1 divided by 3, or plus minus 4 divided by 1, plus minus 4. And then you're going to write down all possible combinations of these fractions. Okay. Later on, we see that m equals to 1 divided by 3 is a possible solution for this equation. Again, we have to try to form all of these possible fractions and then plug them into the equation and check to see which one works the best. So what's the meaning of that? It means that m minus a third is a factor of this equation. So this equation can be written as m minus a third, and then using the division, this is going to be 3m squared plus 6m plus 12 equal to 0. So as we saw before, m is a third, one of the solutions, and then solving this equation, we get m equals to negative 1 plus minus square root of 3 times I. So I in front. So we get one real solution and two complex solutions. Well, the general solution for this differential equation is C1 e to a third x plus e to negative 1x parentheses C3 cosine square root of 3x plus C4 sine square root of 3x. This is the general solution for this differential equation above.